How could you possibly retire in 100 days as a super affiliate online? Well, if you stick around until the end of this quick video, you'll know exactly how to go about that. All right. So before we get started on this, I just want to do a quick housekeeping. If it's not your first time going over my channel or watching one of my videos, well, welcome back. And if it's your very first time, well, welcome. My name is Billy Binelus, and I'm a full-time online entrepreneur helping others to have 4-figure days online with affiliate marketing. So if you are all about affiliate marketing, making money online, working from home, this is what my channel is all about. So you can go ahead right now, hit the big red subscribe button so that you can subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get instant notifications on your mobile devices and via email for when I upload new videos, because I'm going to do so on a weekly and oftentimes on a daily basis, and I don't want you to miss out on any of my content. All right. Now, how is it that you can possibly retire in 100 days as a super affiliate online? All right. So I want you to go ahead and imagine that your new job right now, okay, from 9 in the morning to 5 in the evening is to give away 1 free trial away. Okay. So, sometimes you go to the grocery stores and they're giving away free food, and then you try it out, and then you may end up buying the full box of the free food that they're giving away, right? This is not what we're going to do, but it's the same concept here, except you're going to give away a marketing tool that every business, online business owner would need to effectively market on the internet. Right. So just to talk about some numbers here, when you give a free trial and it sticks, okay, and imagine that you're doing that for 100 days, right? So you would get $40, okay, and every single day that you would do that, you would think about it as a pay raise. You're giving yourself a pay raise every single day. So it just keeps going up. So imagine doing that 100 times and all of them stick. So you would do time 100, right? And that would equal $4,000, and that would be per month, okay? Because that $40 that you would get is per month for that software, that marketing software that you would give away to online businesses that market online, right? What would an extra $4,000 per month do to your life right now? Is it firing your boss? Maybe you're working on a job that you don't necessarily like right now, right? Is it getting the car that you always wanted, the toy that you always wanted? Maybe it's just to take care of your mortgage stress-free. Well, I think that you agree with me that that would be pretty cool. So imagine that you would put in some more efforts to that. I know that if I was doing that from 9 to 5, maybe I would get 2. Now, a trial that I would give away, right? And then I would give myself double the amount of pay raise. So 2 free trial, right? So what would that give you? If you do the math, so that would give you, 200, right? Right. So times 200 for the $40 a month. So that would give you $8,000 per month to give away a free trial to online business owners. And it doesn't even matter what they're doing online. Any business would need that software. You would give that away. Say that you would go for 2 with a little bit of more effort, and that would give you $8,000 per month right there. Well, this is exactly what I want to share with you right now. And it's an affiliate bootcamp that is available for free right now. I don't know for how long it's going to be available, but you can get access to it right now to the link that I left right underneath this video in the description box, so that you can go ahead, create your account on there, and you can start going through the exact steps that you need to implement in order to make this happen, which is possibly retiring in 100 days as a super affiliate online. All right. So if you got some value from my video, don't go ahead and give me a thumbs up right now, and do me a favor right now. Comment 100 days below. Right, I need this video right now. If you're watching this right now, just go ahead and comment 100 days below to let me know that you want to come on this little challenge with me, that you want to come and you're in about this challenge alongside with me, because I'm building this stream of income right now, and I want to bring some people over with me so that I can share my strategies on how I'm making it happen and all that good stuff. All right. So once again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because my channel is all about affiliate marketing, making money online, working from home. So smash that big red button, the subscribe button right away. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get instant notifications on your mobile devices or via email for when I upload new videos. And you, my friend, can get access to the super affiliate training, affiliate marketing bootcamp that is happening right now, to the link that I left right underneath this video. And in the event that you complete step number 1 on day 1, let me know, reach out to me, and I'll leave some detail right underneath this video on how you can do that. Let me know so that I can give you access to my personal bonuses on top of this free training on how you can possibly retire in 100 days as a super affiliate online. All right. So binelus here. I'm going to sign out. Hopefully I'll see you inside of the training, and I'll also see you on the next video. Bye for now.